It's on 40 in my right car. Bitches change and I like I ain't all this. Get it money, nigga, that my main fault.
Hello guys, this is a quick video tutorial showing you a trick on how to remove watermark on VideoShow easily. No hassle with no downloading any third-party application. So you wanna go to VideoShow. Just wait for the ad. So you wanna go to video edit. Choose your video here. So I've already added one video. Select add. As you can see, there's a watermark on the right corner bottom in this video. So to remove that watermark, press on it. Then go back to your video. Select here. So as you can see here, there's an instruction given. And in order to remove the watermark, you have to download this application suggested below. Press on the ad below. Alright, here's the trick. I'm not going to download and install this. So I'm gonna go back to the app. Alright, so as you can see now here, the upload button has appeared. So all you have to do, just select on it. Press rather. Then press on plus icon here. And you can choose any photos to upload. So as you can see, I choose different photo. So select finish. Viola, so the watermark has now removed. Press OK. So as you can see in the video, there's no watermark anymore. You can export this video now. Press here. Alright, so to wrap it up this video, I'm gonna choose the fastest download. You may check the video onto your camera roll if there's really no watermark anymore. Alright, so you may now have a clean video for your project, vlog, or whatsoever. So if you have any question, please leave me a comment below. Bye guys!